GKCLSU is okay. Grounded! No times grounded. The fake miss is theirs. Show me, wool me. There. Orohings gets away. Catch.
Bro, what are they doing?
You going Brazil?
No! All right, in just under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the president of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching
chance to get an incredible deal on gorgeous pre-finished hardwood like Gunstock.
We're told it will last just 30 seconds.
Oh God, it's a UFO and I must alert the whole city about this. T-shirts available. This is not a test.
Haha, I found it now.
Test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert letter. This concludes.
Even harder.
Take on the severe spending cuts necessary to pull Greece out of its debt crisis. In other news, legendary Penn State football coach Joe Paterno says he will retire at the end of the season. This comes as his former assistant coach Jerry Sandusky is charged with several counts of child rape. Paterno released this statement. Here's what he says. He says, quote, "This is a tragedy. It is one of the great sorrows of my life. With the benefit of hindsight, I wish I had done more." Well, coming up in less than 10 minutes here on CNN, we're going to hear from some current Penn State football players.